On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that you can use it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many of them, but in this case I'm using Digistore24. Digistore24 is one of the top affiliate marketing networks where you can get offers to promote. So just search for Digistore24. Once you search for it, you can be able to create a free account and then get offers that you can promote to earn money from home wherever you are in the world. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace, so that you can find digital products and physical products to promote. Once you click on it, you can see it is loading. You are going to wait for it, and you see a lot of different digital products and physical products that you can promote. As to scroll, you can see these are digital products and physical products that you can promote to earn money from home. There are many of them, so as a scroll, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. They are into different pages, so if you click on page 2, they are going to display a lot of different digital products and physical products that you can promote. As you can see, a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. If you want a specific category, all that you need to do is that you have to come right here, click on digital products. Once you click on it, you can see the subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. Just click on any category that you want so that you can find offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of different offers. If you also want to promote physical products, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, shipping products. Once you click on it, these are subcategories of physical products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see they have skincare, food supplements. So any of them that you click, you get the available offers that you can promote to make money from home. In this case, I have a specific product that I want to promote, so I'm going to show you so that you can see how it looks like. If you want, you can also promote the same product, or you can select any kind of product that you want on Digistore24 and then promote it. There are many of them. Just select the one that you want so that you can promote it. Let me show you the product that I'm going to be promoting. I'm going to be promoting this product right here, ProDentin. ProDentin is a supplement that helps people to get healthy teeth. You can see the commission rate is $126.22 per every sale that you get. The cut conversion rate is 23%. That is good. So if you promote it, you are likely going to make a sale. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on the product so that you can see other details of the product. So let me click on it for you to see. Let me click on the product for you to see. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. If you click right here, promote now, you'll be able to get your affiliate link. As you can see, my affiliate link has been copied. Apart from that, you can also click on the sales page so that you can get more information about the product. If you want, you can click on affiliate support page so that you can get resources that the product owner has for you, which you can use to promote the product. In this case, I don't need any resources, so I'm not going to click on it, but you can click on the sales page so that you can read more details about the product. Once you click on the sales page, you're going to see a page like this. If you scroll down, you can see many details of the product. You can see these are more information about the product. You can see the ingredients and many other details of the product. You can see the bonuses. So if your potential visitors make a purchase, they can get access to the bonuses. You can see testimonials. Many people have bought the product and they are giving good testimonies of how the product works. You can see my gums have never looked better. It feels so good not to have to worry about my teeth. I simply love it. That is a review from someone, and there are many other reviews. So people have purchased the product and it is working. You can see verified pages. So these are people who have purchased the product and they are able to get the good results that they need. So if you promote it and your potential visitors see this information, they are likely going to go ahead and then make a purchase so that you can be earning a commission. You can see they have the product in different packages. So whatever your potential visitors want, they can be able to make a purchase for you to earn money. And all the packages, your potential visitors are going to get free shipping. You can see free shipping, free shipping, free shipping. So when your potential visitors make a purchase, they don't need to pay for any shipping cost. The company is going to take care of that, and they are going to receive the product without incurring any additional cost. So the product landing page has more information that can convince people to purchase the product. Now what we have to do is that we have to drive traffic to our affiliate link so that we can get people to see the landing page of the product and then make a purchase for us to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on the Get Started Info, click right here, copy promo link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you then have to find a traffic source so that the people can make a purchase for you to earn money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is free. You don't need to pay for anything. The name of the website is freewebads.com. Freewebads.com is available worldwide. You can target any location that you want, and they have a lot of different categories that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. They get a lot of traffic worldwide, so you can target any part of the world that you want. People have been using it to post their ads. You can see these are the latest ads that people have posted onto the website. You can see some are posting to the United States, some are targeting India and many other places. You can see many other locations. So what you have to do is that you have to also post your ad to any location that you want. In this case, we are going to be targeting tier 1 countries. The tier 1 countries are United States, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, and then South Africa. In those places, you can get people who have the purchasing power to buy the product for you to make money. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to target one of the tier 1 countries so that we can get people to make a purchase for us to make money. Now what you have to do is that you have to begin posting your ad. So just click right here, post free ad. Once you click on it, you can see these are cities in the United States that you can select. Just select any city that you want. If you don't want the United States, you can scroll down and then select any other country that you want. You can see in London, these are cities that you can select. Just select any location that you want. When you scroll down, you can see other countries. So if you don't want the tier 1 countries, you can select any of these countries. Once you scroll down, you can see other countries. So you can select these countries. You can see they have Canada, Australia. So any of these countries that you want, you can select it and then post your ad. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be targeting people who live in the United Kingdom. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see London. Select any city in London that you want. In this case, I'm going to select this city right here, Greenwich. So click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the specific category that you want to post your ad. In this case, we are selling an item, so select for sale. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Choose a specific category that you want to post your ad. So let's select food and supplies. It is a supplement, so select food and supplies. Once that is done, you have to paste the title of your ad here in the description. So you can use ChatGPT to write a description. You can write your own description. I normally want to use ChatGPT to write a description for me so that I can use it on my ad. If you want, you can write your own description, but I usually like to use ChatGPT. If you want to use ChatGPT, what you have to do is that you have to search for it and then create your account. So once you create your account and log in, you have to type a prompt here. So let's type something like write an ad title and description for Prodentin supplement. Just type something like this. Once that is done, click on send so that it will write the ad title and the description for you. You can see it is writing the ad title and the description. You can see it has finished writing. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy and paste everything. So highlight and then copy the title. Once you highlight and copy the title, what you have to do is that you have to come back on your ad, paste the title here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, come back, highlight and copy the description. Highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you have to come back on your ad and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you can see there's a call to action. Try it now and see the difference. So what you have to do is that you have to insert your affiliate link here. To get your affiliate link, come back on this student for click on copy promo link. Once that is done, you have to come back on your ad. Once you come back on your ad, highlight the call to action. Once you highlight it, click on this blue icon. Once that is done, delete this and then paste your affiliate link here. Once that is done, click on OK. As you can see, your affiliate link has been inserted. Now let's scroll down to see the preview. When you scroll down, you can see this is the preview of it. This is exactly what your potential visitors are going to see, and you can see the link is clickable. Now once that is done, you have to enter your email address here. So enter your email address. Once that is done, you can see do not display my email. If you want any of these options, you can select. In this case, I'm going to leave it at the default. Once that is done, you have to upload images of the product that you are promoting. So you can come on Google and then search for the name of the product so that you can get images. So let's search for Pro then images. Just search for that. Once you search for it, you'll be able to get images of the product that you can use on your ad. Once you search for it, click on images. Once you click on images, you can see these are images of the product. You can see a whole lot of them. Just download the one that you want. To download an image, right click on it and then select save image as. Once that is done, you can be able to download the image and then use it on your ad. As you can see, you're going to see something like this. Click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. You can download as many images as you want. Once you download the images, come back, click on choose file. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open, and the image has been uploaded. Once that is done, click on choose file so that you can be able to upload another image. So just upload as many images as you want. Select another image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select this option. People can contact me with commercial interest. Select it. Once that is done, I agree to the terms of use by making a post. Click on it. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to scroll down. You can see they have different promotional options. They have featured ad and extended ad. If you want your ad to be featured at the topmost part of the website, you can click right here and then select any of these options. If you want your ad to stay longer on the website, you can click on the extended ads and then select this. Select any of these options that you can afford. In this case, we are not going to select any of them. We want to post our ad for free, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, click on post now. Once you click on it, you can see congratulations, your ad successfully posted and live. So your ad has been posted onto the website and you are going to be getting free traffic source to your affiliate link without paying for anything. So what you have to do is that you have to post as many ads as you want. There are many categories on this website and there are many categories on Digistore24. So all that you need to do is that you have to go back on Digistore24, select a product from any category that you want, come back on this website, post it. Just keep on posting different ads onto the website, post them under different categories. Do not duplicate one ad. If you duplicate it, the website, they are going to delete your ad. Make sure you go back on Digistore24, select a product from different category, post it on the website. Make sure you keep on doing it so that you can get results without investing any money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.